Mavazimana. Ah, voetsack, man. Are you blind, Mr. F? Dankie! Now it has to be a red card, Mr. F. Come on! At least a yellow card, Mr. F. Come on! Go, boys, go! Now's your chance! Come on, Booker, come on! Come on! Come on, Booker, help him! Help him! Come on, boys!
Veilige optie is die 3 punten. Nou is geen ademheid. Knap is van den Berg. Laat ons 'n bietjie tyd koop. En dan ja, weer die bale. Twee punte was my goal. En is 20 punte op die tellbord vir Suid-Afrika. David Mills wat ontevrede was. En vanaf weer ek nie seker waar het was nie. En dan 'n fout aan die lyn staan, Mark van Staden van die 6 springerspunt nie. Daarachter gewaap hier Damien Burns. Johnny Lobo, Esterhuizen. Anne Merwe na Daynan Moody. En Moody kap sy man aan die buitekant. En hierdie aangeleide...
Yes, yes, go, 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 go! Try time!
So makkelijk soos dit. Kyk dit, Moody. Feitlik geen ruimte en spasie nie. En dan die aansluiting van 'n man wat weet waar hy doen hy dit verlede week. Presies dieselfde gedoen. Grant Williams. Punte. Suid-Afrika. Dink van Parel Gymnasium. Sy 7de 3 wat hy druk in 'n bal kry. On level. 10 sekondes op. Neem die 2 punte. En dan 27 punte vir Suid-Afrika. So 7 minute wat oorbly. Maar hierdie was dan pragtig die goeie hantering. En die 5 meterste bly. 'n Bokspringetjie. Klop sy man. Soek van aansluiting. En die res is geskiedenis. Ja, die bal wat daar geplaas, die spelers op die grond. Strafskop Suid-Afrika. Grant Williams se voer vir Manny Lobo. En dan Moody sit agterna. En hy wen vir Suid-Afrika. Steenkamp. Lobo deur die hande. En dan hardloop hy die kameraman van die veld af. Williams. Lobo. En dan die bal wat aangehelp word. Hy gaan onderstep word. Suid-Afrika met die bal verloor. Mark van Staden, hy plaas die man hier by die losgrup. En wil hulle nou die stempel op hierdie wedstryd plaas. Ja, Esther is in weer agter Lowe. Hy 112 kilos, definitief brood nodig. En hier gaan Suid-Afrika, voordeel Suid-Afrika. Waka Smit, hy pik op, hy dryf op. Grant Williams, Manny Lowe op sy voet aan gee aan die voorkant. En hier kan ook aan sê,
Ethan Hooker! Lekker bokke! Ethan Hooker, maar hy speel vir die Lions. Ek dink vir die Lions of die Haie, maar een van die twee. Selfs deel van Maar sal nou sien me.
In die noorde en die suide, die ooste en die weste. Die Springbok, die kry weer kone. Steek aan die vuur, mama. En papa, maak gereed vanaand kom 'n party. En dan sê die skeieregter nie hulle te lank geneem. As die einde van hierdie wedstryd Mani wou nog skop. En Mani sê dis nie nodig nie. Die eindtelling die gaan bly. 32 punte. Voor Suid-Afrika. 14 punte vir Italië. En slegs vir 'n tweede keer die tuiste van Juventus. Die sokkerstadion groet ons, rugby groete, tot 'n volgende keer. They knew Willem said you are the Quilter series banner player of the match, so I could be careful with that one. I've got to say, I've just commented about what a performance from you and your boys.
Yeah, it was amazing, great performance. You gotta give it to the team. That's full team effort. And yeah, Italy put us under pressure, but we came up with good solutions and plans. And yeah, I've got to take your hats off. It was team effort. Obviously, I'm here taking credit for the man of the match, but that was a full team effort.
It was like you had that ball on a piece of string sometimes. You were reading the situation. You knew there was going to be a lot of kicking in it with these conditions.
Yeah, I know. We know that obviously Varney, BC, and the whole of Italy's backline with breaks there as well. Capuccio, they got a good kicking game, and as I said earlier in the week in media, they're a very all-core team, and they showed that tonight. They put us under a lot of pressure, the ball set piece on defense. They got a good attack, and then obviously the kicking game. But yeah, I tried my best, and obviously the rest of the boys helped me. So yeah, very
And
happy.
even down at 14 guys down to 13 after 11 minutes. That shows something about the heart that this side has got.
Yeah, we knew we had to show character, and boys did that. And I'm just very proud of the team, and obviously coming up with solutions. Yeah, we're going to look at this one for a long time, so I'm very happy.
Damien, congratulations. Outstanding.
Thank you very much.
Multiple changes made by Rusty Rasmus for the clash against Italy. Gentlemen, they never went away. They were there, and the assistant referee a little bit. But they all got the job done at the end.
I think the way the game finished by Mani Libbok not being able to take the conversion, everyone running out on the end whistle goes in the 82nd minute after scoring a lovely try once again, putting them Italy away 32-14. The rest lost control of this game early on. And whether that was at the breakdown, whether that was small margins, whether that
and I just thought the guys really
Mavazi Mana. En die mannen van die hanen kry nie meer nie, dat met trane. En die mannen van die skotte soek nog 'n whisky vir die slotte. En die mannen van die Ire plant net bomme by hul bier.